back to my channel Verbomart. Yes, I missed you and I'm sorry it's been so late. But आज का दिन special है. Today we are going to learn about 5 new verbs, and these verbs are not only hilarious and intriguing, but after learning their meaning, you're probably going to say, wait, what? Really? Yeah, that's right. Come on, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, what do you mean by the word smart? Now, what if I tell you that smarting actually means to feel the pain? Wait, what? I myself read it recently in a book, and that's where I got to know that when someone gives you a tight slap, that sting and pain that you feel on your cheek at that point, the exact words to describe that pain would be, my cheeks are smarting. Okay, firstly, this word sounds more like farting, so it becomes hilarious at that point. But even you have to admit, like, where the hell am I going to say that my cheeks are smarting from the slap that some person gave me? I hope I don't have to. But yeah, smart is another word to describe the feeling of pain. But all the people who are in corporate jobs or aapka role, it's more of conversing with your seniors or presenting a report or presentation. This is how we are going to smartly use the word smarting. Have a look.
Smarting in the corporate world can be used to describe the pain of financial shocks or crisis. So you can probably go like this. A competitor is currently smarting from that PR crisis last week. Tables have turned now. Or maybe you can say, the Europe division is still smarting from the regulatory rejection.
What do you mean by fudge? Guys, I can literally imagine the saliva coming out of your mouth. So clean up, please. जब आप लोग dishonest तरीके से या फिर manipulation करके चीजों को fix करने की कोशिश करते हो ताकि वो सही हो जाए, that's why you're fudging. So let me give you an example. Like, you might be fudging up the numbers in the accounts to project profitability or to balance the accounts. You might be fudging the margins of the answer sheet so that later on you can take extras. Now that I come to think of, that was fudging hilarious. Marks utne hi aane jitna likha hoga. So stop fudging, you guys. Apart from being a delicious breakfast, what is waffle?
Waffling means to talk or write at length but vaguely, without actually saying anything useful or making a clear point.
Like in Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, Daya Bhabhi simply wants to ask Tapu ke papa ki aap kya khaoge, aapki pasand ka khana main bana dungi. But she keeps waffling for a long time before she comes to that point, and at the end Jetha gets frustrated and says, point pe aana bhai. That's what you call waffling. Yeah, maybe when you're given an essay to write about and you're not quite familiar with the topic but you still have to write, you keep waffling a lot just to make the word count. That's waffling for you. Let's just get straight to the meaning, यार. आपने देखा होगा कि टाइगर जब भी अपने शिकार की तरफ बढ़ता है वो बहुत धीरे धीरे हौले हौले अपने कदम रखता है. इतना धीरे कि जब कोई देख रहा हो तो उसे एक पॉइंट पे ये लगेगा कि क्या ये अटैक करना भी चाहता है. Why is he being so hesitant? Just take the big pounce. एक्चुअल में जो टाइगर यहाँ कर रहा है उसी को हम लोग कहते हैं पुसी फुटिंग. ह्यूमन टर्म्स में समझाऊं तो इट जनरली मीन्स दैट व्हेन समवन इज अनोइंगली बीइंग जेंटल or hesitant to take a step when they know they need to take a bold stand. For example, promotions की बात आती है and you're expecting a raise and you know you deserve it, but talking to boss could be a little awkward. Hence, आप बहुत gently हर चीज को लेते हो, casually लेते हो, थोड़ा सा hesitate करते हो, eventually delay करते हो. And that is exactly the point. जब आपके करीबी colleagues आकर आपको बोलते हैं, why are you pussyfooting? You know you deserve it. Fudging, go ask for the promotion. Okay, wait. I think the same thing can be applied to a girlfriend-boyfriend scenario as well. I mean, it's a common thing जहाँ लड़कियाँ complain करती है that the boys aren't taking enough stand for them, जहाँ उनको लेना चाहिए, delay करते हैं, hesitant रहते हैं, basically avoid करने की कोशिश करते हैं. And this is exactly the time where you can use the verb. Just go and say, stop pussyfooting. Be a man, take a stand. It's kind of a sweet insult, so I know it'll work. Idol, as we all all know sitting and doing nothing, something our teachers would never get tired of telling us. Why are you sitting idle? Don't you have anything else to do? If only someone had told me at that point. That was the only age I could sit idle. Well, apart from the sad memory, there's yet another hidden meaning to this word. Have a look. Yes, the car engine is on and the car is still not moving. That means your car is idling. And yes, it's a very weird word to use. Like, when are you going to say my car was idling outside? And yes, we come to the end of our video. I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, don't pussyfoot. At least you don't pussyfoot, yaar. Subscribe kar do, thumbs up de do, and give a lot of love if you can. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.